Number 1.
1988 Ford Ranger, price $8,500, powered by a 302 V8 from a 1983 Mustang GT, paired with an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake and a 4-barrel carburetor, delivering solid performance. Shorty headers and a dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers give it a deep, aggressive tone. It features a 4-speed SROD transmission and a 7.5 rear end with 3.73 traction lock, improving both acceleration and drivability. The truck sits on Jegs Pro Star wheels with good tires, while the paint still looks good after 5 years and the front bumper is new. Inside, it has a custom red interior with gray bucket seats and a Pioneer CD player. A clean bed with a tonneau cover adds practicality, making this V8 swapped Ranger a well-rounded and enjoyable classic truck.
Number 2.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,750, with a 5.7L Vortec engine paired to a 4L60E automatic transmission. The truck is a regular cab, short bed, 2WD configuration, finished in white with a blue interior, and has been driven approximately 266,000 miles on gasoline. It features electric windows and retains a clean, original interior with its factory CD player and radio still intact. The air conditioning system is functional and blows cold. The braking system has been refreshed with new front rotors, pads, and calipers, along with an upgraded NBS master cylinder. Additional recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, OEM lighting, headlights, park lights, marker lights, and tail lights, a front air dam, a new AC compressor with orifice tube, and a thermostat. On the downside, the driver's door has been replaced and its color does not perfectly match the rest of the body. There is minor rust beginning to show on the cab corner, and the roof still has mounting points from a previous CB antenna installation, although there are no leaks.
Number 3.
1995 Nissan Hardbody, price $8,350, that has traveled 148,000 miles throughout its lifetime. Known for its durability and rugged design, this truck is powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with practical features that enhance both comfort and control, including power steering and power brakes, which provide a smoother and more responsive driving experience. It also includes factory-installed air conditioning, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The truck's exterior is finished in a striking red color, complemented by a clean gray interior that remains in very good condition, reflecting careful use over the years. In addition, the truck is fitted with a factory Rhino liner bed liner, offering excellent protection for the cargo bed against wear and tear, making it ideal for hauling and work-related use. The tires still retain approximately 85% of their tread, indicating that they have plenty of life remaining.
Number 4.
1987 Ford Ranger, price $3,000, that has traveled approximately 144,000 miles. It is equipped with a 2.3L inline-4 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain, offering a simple yet dependable driving experience typical of its era. The truck features a striking red exterior combined with a matching red interior, giving it a distinctive vintage character that stands out from more modern vehicles. These include the alternator, spark plugs and ignition wires, the EEC relay/ECU, and the idle air control (IAC) valve. The front brake pads have also been replaced, although the brake rotors will still need attention in the future.
These updates contribute to the vehicle's overall reliability and drivability. However, there are a few known issues that should be noted.
The inertia switch has failed and has been bypassed with a manually installed switch for the fuel pump, which still allows the vehicle to operate but may require proper repair. Additionally, the exhaust manifold is either cracked or leaking, resulting in a louder than normal engine sound. There is also a slow power steering fluid leak that may need to be addressed over time. The vehicle comes with all standard components and accessories, with the exception of the backup camera, which is no longer functional.
Number 5.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, is a well-maintained and reliable pickup truck that continues to run and drive excellently without any known issues. The vehicle has been consistently serviced on schedule, reflecting careful ownership and attention to maintenance over the years. Despite having 200,000 miles, it remains in solid condition and is ready for continued daily use or light-duty work. The truck features a silver exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. It comes equipped with the XLT package, adding to its overall comfort and practicality. Under the hood, it is powered by a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a dependable driving experience with good fuel efficiency and control. As an extended cab model, this Ranger provides additional interior space, making it more versatile for both passengers and storage. It is also equipped with air conditioning for added comfort, along with manual windows and manual door locks, which contribute to its simplicity and ease of maintenance.
Number 6.
1993 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500, featuring 112,000 miles on the odometer and equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck comes in a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior and runs on gasoline. It is a 4x4 model powered by the reliable 4.3L V6 engine, making it a dependable daily driver. The vehicle has recently undergone significant maintenance, including the installation of a brand new air conditioning system with a new compressor, condenser, hoses, and O-rings. Additional work includes a new steering shaft, a new oil cooling gasket, and new tires, ensuring improved performance and reliability. The Chevrolet S10 is mechanically sound, with its 4x4 system functioning properly and ready for use. The sale also includes several extra parts that have not yet been installed, such as new left and right fenders, new spark plugs and wires, a new air filter, new headlights with wiring, and a used truck bed toolbox. Overall, this truck presents a solid opportunity for anyone looking for a well-maintained and capable pickup.
Number 7.
1994 Ford F150, price $7,200. It is powered by a strong and dependable 5.0 engine with only 15,000 miles, offering solid performance and long-term reliability. The truck features a clean body with straight lines and a short bed design, making it practical for hauling materials or handling weekend projects. It sits on solid tires with plenty of tread, ensuring readiness for the road. Its simple and reliable setup makes maintenance easy and affordable, while the chrome front bumper and classic custom grille add to its timeless and rugged appearance. Additionally, the owner includes a set of unused headers and a brand new chrome Edelbrock distributor that was purchased for an upgrade but never installed. Overall, this truck has been well cared for and runs and drives as it should, making it a dependable and practical option for a wide range of needs.
Number 8.
1969 Ford F100, price $7,500, that has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and comes equipped with a manual transmission, offering an engaging and authentic driving experience. Finished in a bold black exterior with a contrasting white interior, the truck presents a timeless and eye-catching appearance while maintaining its vintage charm. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong and rowdy 390 engine, delivering impressive performance for its class, further enhanced by a Flowmaster dual exhaust system that produces a deep, aggressive sound. The vehicle runs and drives well, making it not only a collector's piece but also a functional and enjoyable truck for regular use. It is fitted with good brakes and new tires, ensuring reliable stopping power and road readiness, while all windows are fully functional, adding convenience and practicality. As a whole, this F100 combines classic American truck styling with solid mechanical condition, featuring key elements such as a dependable drivetrain, responsive braking system, fresh tires, and a powerful engine setup. It stands out as a fun, reliable, and character-filled pickup that is perfect for cruising, weekend drives, or showcasing at events.
Number 9.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. It has accumulated 172,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a distinctive blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. As part of its key features, this truck comes in an extended cab configuration with a long bed and a 4WD drivetrain. It is powered by a 5.7-liter engine, which was replaced at approximately 90,000 miles with a brand new GM crate engine. The automatic transmission has been either rebuilt or replaced within the last 20,000 miles, although the exact mileage is not precisely documented.
The vehicle continues to demonstrate consistent upkeep,
as shown by several recent maintenance updates, including a brand new battery, a new fuel pump, and new rear wheel cylinders. The air conditioning system is fully functional and blows cold air. Overall, this truck reflects a solid history of maintenance and care, combining classic styling with dependable mechanical updates.
Number 10.
1992 Dodge W150, price $6,000. With a 5.2L engine and automatic transmission with overdrive. The vehicle has been driven 178,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It features a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior. The truck comes well equipped with power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, cruise control, and air conditioning, making it both comfortable and practical for daily use or work. It is also fitted with 3.55 gears and a limited slip differential, POSI. Recent maintenance includes a rebuilt alternator and starter, along with a new windshield installed within the past year.
The owner has maintained records of the vehicle's history.
While the truck is in solid overall condition, It currently needs new tires and a tailpipe replacement.